Hello and welcome to Investing with Chris. Today we're going to be taking a look at Cardano and why I believe Cardano is still very much so bullish for the end of this year and for the next few years to come. Alright, so as we can see, I wanted to get us to take a look at coin market cap and look at the charts a year to date and just see how far Cardano has come a year to date. So around a year to date, Cardano is trading about 10 cents, okay? And currently right now, Cardano is trading at $2.05. Those are amazing gains to have made in the past year. And if you invested in Cardano last year to now, you'd have made thousands of percent in return. Okay, so let's take a look at this article from Nasdaq.com, which reads, could Cardano hit 500 billion by 2023? Now there's a lot of important information in this article. However, there's one section that I really want to take a look at, which is called limited coins available, which kind of goes into a little bit more depth about what Cardano has got more than one use case of more than just being a coin. Okay, let's get into it. Cardano's cryptocurrency is called ADA, and investors can buy the coins as an investment or use them for transactions. Cardano currently has more than 33 billion coins circulating, but a cap has been set at 45 billion. This idea of a limited number of coins available could be an element to drive gains into Cardano. That's very important, guys. Please remember that limited supply. When we look at coins like SHIB, for example, which has been trending over the past month, SHIB has a circulating number of coins averaging about 330 billion, right, compared to Cardano's 45 billion max supply. Let's continue reading. But there's more to Cardano than just the coin. Much like Ethereum, Cardano is a blockchain platform that allows for the execution of smart contracts. Now, I don't want to get too deep into the jargon here, guys. If you'd like to know a little bit more, if you'd like us to take a little bit more of a deeper dive into Cardano, then please let me know in the comment below, and we can do that. So these are self-executing contracts with terms written into the code. One major area for the use of Cardano is in the financial world through its decentralized system. Cardano aims to facilitate banking and financial services globally. For instance, users can store data on the blockchain that could be used for opening a bank account. Cardano also could be of use in other fields where users must store personal or sensitive information and then make it available to another person or organization. Now, one thing that really stood out here is how Cardano, if I just highlight it here, aims to facilitate banking and financial services globally. Now, for those who aren't aware, Africa doesn't have the best banking infrastructure in place, and there are hundreds of millions, if not billions, of people who don't have bank accounts. Now, it's shocking over here in the West because we all grow up with bank accounts, right? But in Africa, that's something that's not so common. Now, if Cardano can bring banking infrastructure to Africa, the potential of reaching 2 billion users could drive the demand up for Cardano astronomically. Bear in mind there are only 45 billion coins in circulation. That's the max supply. That's what's been capped. Now I'm going to take another look at an article from africannews.com, right, and we'll be very brief here. Please feel free to take a look at these articles. I'll link them down in the description below, but I'll just read this very quickly. So again, if you'd like to take a deeper look into all of this, please let me know and I can make that happen. However, I want to make this video pretty concise and quick, just for someone who's looking for an idea of if Cardano is a good purchase or not, or whether or not it's had its run and is now trending downwards. So I'm just going to take a look at this paragraph very quickly. So founded in 2020, Adanyan Labs is focused on building a platform where African tech startups can thrive and access all key resources that allow them to grow sustainably. The lab provides all the critical support startups would need to launch and scale in the continent, including access to funding, technology development, technical support, go-to-market strategies, and partnerships. Right, so this is what Cardano is currently doing, and right now, I believe Charles Hoskinson is currently on a tour of Africa, trying to, work those partnerships and mergers in. Okay, so Cardano is currently on a really bullish path. Now let's take a look at coinpriceforecast.com and see what the forecasts are for Cardano in upcoming years, as well as for the end of this year. So please bear in mind, guys, I hope you guys all remember this graph that we took a look at. Cardano was at 10 cents over here and is currently trading at $2.05. Those are astronomical gains a year to date, right? So let's take a look here. So towards the end of this year, Cardano is predicted to be at $2.10. Now, I believe it's going to be substantially more than that. I don't want to put a price to it. I'm more so around the fundamental side of analysis. I don't like putting price targets, but I do look at articles and news and research such as this to see where a coin could potentially be heading, and so far it's done me pretty well. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So let's come down here now and firstly, let's take a look at where Cardano will be in the next 5 years. So we're in 2021, that will be 2026, right? It's meant to Cardano is meant to end the year at $8.42, which would be 312% gain from where it's at today. Now, please remember, Cardano has gone up substantially in the past year, more than 300%. It's gone up thousands of percent, in fact. But let's scroll down and find out a little bit more about that. So when we look at historical forecasts, so this is dated in October, 15th of October. So it states Cardano price starting in 2021 at 18 cents. Today, Cardano traded at $2.20. So the price increased by 1,115% from the beginning of the year. The forecasted Cardano price at the end of 2021 is, so I believe this is for 15th of October. So we're currently in November now, but it was $3.62 and it's currently gone down. This is why I'm making the video, because a lot of people are thinking Cardano is not bullish anymore simply because there's a little bit of a downtrend, which happens in cryptocurrency, but you have to take a look at the bigger picture. That's why, guys, you always have to zoom out. If in doubt, zoom out. That's one motto that I always stick by. If in doubt, zoom out. So let's take a look at this. And the year-to-year change is 1,904%. This was in October, guys. The rise from today to year end is 65% predicted. Okay, so Cardano has gone up significantly. That's why you always have to take these predictions with a pinch of salt, because you don't fully know how cryptocurrency is going to go, and that's why I don't like getting too deep into technical analysis and trying to put price predictions on things, because you don't fully know where cryptocurrency is going to go. We do know that it's bullish, of course, with all these mergers, deals, as well as the US Fed starting to put in better regulations for cryptocurrency. However, it's always hard to predict an exact number, an exact date for cryptocurrency, because it's such a new asset class and hasn't been fully regulated as of yet. But as you can see here, guys, from what we've discussed, Cardano is very much on a bullish path, and I believe Cardano would do much better than $3.18 according to CoinMarketCap. Coin price forecast. If we can take a look here, $2.10. I believe it will be much closer to what they've stated below. If we can scroll down here, to $3.62. I believe it will be much closer to that. However, I don't want to put a serious price prediction on it or a date, but I believe it will be so much closer to $3.62 as opposed to $2.10, considering it's currently trading at $2.05 right now. So please, guys, if in doubt, zoom out. So I believe Cardano will be very much so bullish going towards the end of the year and the next 5 years to come. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please leave a like and a comment, and please let me know if you'd like me to go into more detail